Imagine standing at a crossroads. One road promises love, comfort, and emotional connection. The other demands sacrifice, discipline, and years of hard work before success finally arrives. Which path would you choose? Most people don't hesitate, they follow their emotions. But one decision made too early can quietly change the direction of your entire future without you even realizing it. Love is one of the most beautiful experiences in life. It can inspire you, comfort you, and make ordinary moments unforgettable. But love alone cannot build the life you dream about. Your 20s and early adulthood are unique. They are the years when your habits, skills, confidence, and identity are being shaped. These years won't come back. When your entire focus becomes another person, it's easy to stop investing in yourself. Dreams are postponed. Goals become later. Months slowly become years. Every decision has an opportunity cost. Every hour you spend on one priority is an hour you cannot spend building another. Time always asks for something in return. Success isn't only about money. It's about developing discipline, learning valuable skills, improving your health, and becoming someone capable of solving problems and creating opportunities. Feelings naturally change over time. Excitement rises and falls. But the person you become through years of growth stays with you for the rest of your life. Think of your future like building a house. A beautiful roof means nothing if the foundation underneath is weak. Your education, habits, and purpose are that foundation. Many people believe success will make them happy. Others believe love will solve everything. In reality, neither can replace personal growth and a clear sense of purpose. Time is your greatest asset. Money can be earned again. Opportunities sometimes return. But the years you choose not to invest in yourself can never be recovered. Choosing long-term growth over short-term comfort isn't rejecting love. It's preparing yourself to build healthier relationships when the time is right. Every book you read, every challenge you overcome, and every new skill you master quietly transforms your confidence. Growth changes how you see yourself and how others see you. Healthy relationships need more than emotion. They need trust, stability, maturity, communication, and two people who continue growing instead of depending entirely on each other. Purpose gives direction to your life. Without it, even strong relationships can struggle because one or both people lose sight of who they want to become. Distractions will always exist. Social media, entertainment, comfort, and even relationships can pull your attention away if you forget what truly matters to you. Investing in yourself is never selfish. Every lesson you learn today becomes something you can share with the people you care about tomorrow. Real confidence doesn't come from hearing someone say, "I love you." It grows every time you keep a promise to yourself and become stronger because of it. As your knowledge, discipline, and character grow, new opportunities begin to appear. Better careers, stronger friendships, and healthier relationships often follow naturally. Love doesn't disappear because you spent time building your future. Often, personal growth helps you recognize healthier relationships and avoid the wrong ones. The goal isn't to choose success instead of love. The goal is to avoid sacrificing your future for emotions that may not last forever. Imagine looking back 10 years from now. Which decision would make you prouder? Becoming the best version of yourself or abandoning your dreams too soon? Build your character before chasing validation. Build your habits before chasing attention. Build your future before expecting someone else to build it for you. When two complete people meet, love becomes a partnership instead of a rescue mission. That's the kind of relationship that has the best chance of lasting. Success gives you freedom, confidence, and the ability to create stability. Love gives life warmth, meaning, and connection. The strongest lives make room for both. So don't rush your future and don't rush your heart. Become someone you're proud to be. Then, when love arrives, you'll have something lasting to share instead of something you're still searching for.